Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and this time we're going to be making custom pencil labels. To get started, what I needed to do first was to look at the pencils themselves and to get some measurements. So I found that the labels can be 2 inches long by ½ inch tall. After getting the dimensions that we can use, I went ahead and typed out what I wanted put on each pencil. In this case, I put in my Supergirl KY and also my husband's channel, Superguy KY. I selected the font I wanted and I adjusted it to the size that fits. Once everything was all said and done, I went ahead and clicked Make It. Now I started with the Superguy KY one first, and I did what I've coined the lazy weeding, where I stuck all of the vinyl on there and I peeled it off of the object. And in this case I'm glad I did because it turned out really well, and with the letters being so small, I think this is the best route to go. And the plus side of doing all this is, with kids in school, you know, they tend to have sticky hands. So with having custom pencils, it ensures that your kid's name will always be on the pencil, and plus it looks pretty cool too. With that being said, everything turned out awesome. If you want to be able to make custom pencils for the upcoming school year, this is the perfect solution. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It has been a pleasure working on this all with you, and have a super day.